All right, we are back this week playing another round of HGTV's House Hunters Celebrity Edition, this week featuring the one and only Jeff Bridges, Fergie, and billionaire entrepreneur Ori Bytton, almost $50 million worth of real estate we're about to review. And then I got to decide which home I'm going to buy as is, where is. I can't make any changes. So without further ado, let's play House Hunters Celebrity Edition. Here we go. First up, we have a cannabis mogul, Mr. Ori Bytton, 6-bedroom, 9-bathroom, 13,000 square foot, $38 million brand new custom-built Bel-Air Mansion. The moment you enter the gated grounds, you'll be transported to a world of sophistication and elegance with warm and natural finishes showcasing the finest materials from around the world. The exquisite primary suite has a resort-style bathroom featuring an oversized soaking tub carved from a single block of silver travertine. That's beautiful. On the rooftop terrace, you'll find a jacuzzi, kitchen, bar, dining area, lounging areas showcasing views spanning from downtown to the ocean. The lower-level amenities include a wellness area with a Patagonia quartz steam and massage room, cedarwood sauna gym, custom cigar lounge, temperature-controlled wine room, 4-dimensional theater, showroom for a car gallery, and a guest suite with separate access. This property is not just a home. It's a masterpiece crafted by some of the world's top designers and builders. This house pretty much speaks for itself. It's going to be hard for somebody to top this house, but we do have two strong contenders up next. Let's check them out. Next up, we have a Grammy award-winning artist, best known from the Black Eyed Peas Fergie's 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 5,500 square foot, $3.7 million Vineyard Retreat in Solvang, California. Through this custom-built home, completed in 2013, Fergie helped her dad realize his dream of planting a vineyard and creating his own wine label that's provided years of memories for Fergie and the entire family. The spa-like estate offers stunning panoramic vistas, sitting on over 6 acres with large bifold doors, offers seamless indoor and outdoor living experiences, generous wraparound patios, surround the home, offering ample space for entertaining or relaxing in an oversized spa near the fire pit, an outdoor kitchen. Inside the home, you'll find 2 primary suites, 2 full laundry facilities, and abundance of parking with a 4-car garage and motor court. So if you've never been to Solvang, the downtown looks like you've been transported to a 1940s Danish village. It's really fun. So I like that, and I could make some money off the home simultaneously by selling the wine, so I get a house and a winery with these views. It's a strong contender. One more to go, then I can make the decision. Last up, we have an Academy Award-winning actor, the dude himself, Mr. Jeff Bridges, 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 5,000 square foot, $8.2 million home in Santa Barbara, California. Hidden behind tall hedges and lush landscaping, this quintessential Santa Barbara-style ranch estate and new 2-bedroom guest house sits on 1.2 acres within the desirable Hope Ranch community surrounded by vast mountains and canyons. The home boasts vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling French doors and windows, and an abundance of natural light, giving off a great sense of comfort and sophistication. Meticulously renovated with the finest attention to details, providing 2 primary bedroom suites, a flawless chef's-grade kitchen, and charming outdoor spaces. We got 3 unique homes we got lined up, and I like each of them for different reasons, but who am I picking? Let's find out next. So to recap, we have Ori Bytton's $38 million brand new mansion, Fergie's $3.7 million family winery, Jeff Bridges' $8.2 million classic Santa Barbara retreat, and I'm going to eliminate Jeff Bridges since the other 2 have views and he doesn't. So the dude, sorry, gone. Now we have cannabis versus spirits, and I'm going to go with the Bel-Air masterpiece. I typically don't go with the new construction homes, but this one doesn't feel cold and sterile, so I'm going with the new modern mansion in Beverly Hills. Which way are you guys going to go? Let me know. Until the next video, hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you then. Bye.